Stead decisis, have you read it?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
So you want explanation or what?
No, don't want, madam. This is a don't want.
Yeah.
Orbiter dicti, descendenti, and star disease, no problem.
All right. So there are questions with regard to binding force of obiter dictum and ratio decidendi also. Take, for example, we studied those 4 different rules of interpretation, right? So there can be a question like explain the rules of interpretation, where you can write all those 4 different rules. And there were also questions like write a short note on this specific rule of interpretation, like literal and rule, golden rule. In such cases, again, you can put that same introduction, then meaning of interpretation, right? And then whatever rule they have mentioned in the question, right? Those rules only you can explain, right? This is basically with the other answer where I have just put the case also and meaning also, and then finally same conclusion you can put. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then there was a question, what is precedent? Explain different parts of precedent. When they say different parts of precedent, you need to explain regarding ratio, decidendi, and obiter dictum. If they are asking you explain different kinds of precedent, in that case, you need to explain these different parts that we discussed, right? Original dictum, other stuff. But intro, again, you can put the same intro. Precedent means like previously decided judgment and all of that. And these are the kinds of precedent. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Then there were short notes being asked, right? A short note on ratio decidendi, right? A short note on obiter dictum. Here also same you can put, and then you can say ki, there are 2 different parts of a judicial decision, ratio decidendi and obiter dictum, which means reason of decision and said by the way. Accordingly, whatever they are asking. If it is only ratio decidendi, you can then explain what is ratio decidendi. If it is obiter dicta, you can similarly explain that. Then you can mention regarding binding force of precedent, and your answer will be done. And similarly, there was a question with regard to golden rule. Write a short note on golden rule. What is interpretation of statute? Explain explain golden rule of interpretation. In both the 2 cases, right? Even if they are simply asking about golden rule, maybe you can write this much and then start with golden rule, even if you are not writing this. So you can again start with an intro, meaning of interpretation. What is golden rule? Case with regard to it, and then conclusion. So it basically depends on how many marks are there. Is it like 10-mark question or a 6-mark question? Accordingly, you can try to explain it. What is judicial decision or a precedent? Basically, court has given a decision, whether it will be binding in all the like coming days when a new decision will be given by court or not, right? That is what is precedent. If it is binding, it is called as precedent. So there was one question, explain circumstances affecting weight of or decision of court. This is a little complicated, so maybe we should do it in next class. It's a little complicated for today. There is another question, internal aid to construction. Have you read that?
No, ma'am. So only the questions which I have sent you is, I have just worked out the 2 years question paper. So whatever that was there and came previous years also, so I have just sent you those questions.
Okay. So I think I have like previous 3-year question paper, because this subject was newly introduced, right? So only for 3 years this subject was there. So those 3 question papers I have. So I guess I have few more questions based on what you have given, right? So there was.
Yes, please, ma'am. Whatever you feel that I should know, you can teach me, ma'am.
Yeah. Important ones I can tell you. And also, right, whatever this thing docs was given to you from your college, can you send me that, like scan copy or some photo? Can you click and send that? I just wanted to know what is there. Like you said, right? Some textbook Xerox copy was given from your college?
Ma'am, here it is there in the house. So tomorrow I'll send you, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, no problem. Tomorrow you can send when you go back. All right. So there was this question, internal aid to construction. It's also important. So do you feel it's too much for now, or we can stretch some half an hour? What do you feel?
Another half an hour also I can spend, madam. But today I won't take this because I don't know about internal aid construction.
Yeah, that is what. It's like a little complicated. So only I'm asking.
Yeah, all complicated and all. Tomorrow we'll see, ma'am.
Yeah, right. So these are complicated only. Beneficial rule of construction. Yeah, this is something that we can do maybe.